Hi everyone, today we're looking at a septic system with an extreme situation. This system has a very clogged effluent filter. Last week the owner of this property contacted me saying the system had backed up into the house and asked us to come solve the problem. In summer 2023 I visited this property, and at that visit their effluent filter was clogged to the point that the liquid level in the tank was a little high. But as you can see here, the liquid level has risen above the first riser down there and the filter is very full. After talking to the homeowner, we found that some occupants are vegetarians, and over time we have noticed that systems belonging to people with little or no meat in their diets tend to find this issue of a clogged effluent filter more often than those with an omnivorous diet. Because their diet often contains a lot of leafy vegetables, those pieces get through to the second chamber of the tank and can fill up that filter, causing the system to back up. As you can see, John is putting in a valiant effort to slosh that filter around and clean all of the matter out of it. What you don't see is that the solids were so compacted in the filter that we had to use that hook to scoop some of the matter out of it and make sure it was really empty. After that, John sloshed it around a little more. Eventually, we got the effluent filter cleaned out and the liquid level returned to the proper height at the bottom of the outlet. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, or you can email us at the email on screen, info@cromar.ca. Thanks for watching.